Warning: this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode, we will hopefully get our doors all mounted using our special hinge that we showed you. Get them all on. We'll modify our lifting legs so that we can put it on and off the back of the ute, and hopefully get this thing prepped and ready to be painted. So, in our last episode, you would have seen us starting to do the welding work on the sheet metal. We've now got that all welded. We saved you the boring bit of watching that. So it's all welded in. We've just smoothed it all off with our grinders. Really boring stuff, basic stuff. If you know how to use the grinder, you can do this, no worries at all. Done all our doors and all our box frame. Now, let's get to making it all one piece. Vanish and come inside the door. No, it's better without him. Hey, Dumb and Dumber! Alright, they heard. I hope it works. Ah, fuck, dog! Whee! So we've got our strut mounts welded into our doors and on our frame now. So these can go in, doors open, we've already checked that. We've taken them out so we don't burn them welding. Now what we've moved on to is putting our latch into our doors. So these are the latches we're using. Just a simple latch, the padlock, so you can lock them afterwards. Use the gasket to mark the hole where we needed it. Then I've just been using hole saws of different sizes to cut into our corners, and I'll use the grinder just to go between them holes. That'll give us a nice little pocket for our latch to go into, a couple of rivets, job's done. So let's get into it. Alright, so you might have seen us just saying we whacked up some roof racks so that he can put his camper top on. They're pretty easy, it's just 30mm square welded to those bars that are inside. So it's nice and firm. Like I said before, puts the weight down to the ground, not through the sheet metal. We've also got all the doors have their gas struts now. Opens all its way by itself. And we've also got all the holes cut for the latches. I'm not going to install any of that sort of gear until it's painted. Just had to cut all the holes first. Now we're going to flip it up on its end and do some internal welds that we haven't gotten to yet. That are on the bottom. They're a bit hard, a bit low to the ground. So let's get to that, weld it out quickly, and very soon I think we're going to prep to paint it. Right, you would have seen us just prep and spray our canopy and doors. We used a product called Wrap the Liner. A lot of you might be familiar with it. It goes on really weird. I've never sprayed it before. Turns out it's really quite easy and user friendly. A lot of you DIYers could do it easy as. The primer we chucked down was a 2-part primer as well, because it was raw steel. It was best to give it something to bite to and protect the steel work from rust. Then we just shot this stuff over the top. As you can see, it's pretty uniform all over. It's sticky as crap on the ground, I can tell you that. Walking around, we keep growing. Decided to do just a quick splatter spray on the inside. It turned out pretty cool actually. Nice little effect on the inside. Doors come out wonderful. So we might leave this episode here. We were going to do the legs, I know. We said we didn't do that, but we might leave that for the next one. We got a bit carried away getting this done, and I want to get some content out to you guys. So if you could hit like and subscribe for us, and we'll just keep trying to put these videos out for you. Take it easy.